Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to secure your Gmail account. Let's start with two-step verification, a crucial security feature. When enabled, it requires a unique code from your phone, in addition to your password, every time you sign in on a new device. This simple step adds a powerful second layer of defense, making it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access your account, even if they somehow get your password. It's a quick setup for significant peace of mind. Next, let's talk about your password. A strong password is your first line of defense. Aim for at least 12 characters, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information. Also, ensure your recovery phone number and email address are current. These are vital for regaining access if you ever forget your password or if your account is compromised, providing a secure pathway back to your information. Performing a regular Google security checkup is highly recommended. This tool guides you through important security settings and offers personalized advice. Take a moment to review and revoke access for any third-party applications you no longer use or don't recognize. These apps can sometimes pose a risk. Additionally, always check your recent security activity for any unfamiliar logins or suspicious actions, ensuring everything looks correct and authorized. Finally, stay vigilant against phishing attempts. Be extremely cautious of unexpected emails or messages asking for your personal information or prompting you to click suspicious links. Google will never ask for your password via email. Always ensure your device's operating system and web browser are kept up to date. These updates often include critical security patches that protect against the latest threats, adding another layer of defense for your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.